New mom aches? Let's talk why your shoulder feels strained. Shoulder impingement is super common in pregnancy and postpartum. Shifting hormones change your connective tissues. Poor posture from carrying babies strains shoulders. All that baby carrying adds repetitive strain. Gentle strategies can really help. Try posture check-ins. Roll shoulders back and down. Alternate arms when holding your baby. Alternate arms when feeding your baby to avoid overuse. Gentle stretches can help mobility. Light strengthening, like wall push-ups, builds support. Rest is as important as movement. If pain is severe or sticks around, see a pro. Want more easy tips? Visit unitypain.com.